Hi, my name is Mick. I'm a design engineer here at MSR, and I'm here to talk to you today about swapping bindings on your MSR snowshoes. Some helpful tools are needle nose pliers or a multi-tool with pliers and a flathead screwdriver. This is a lightning scent model here in front of me, but these instructions can be used for any MSR snowshoe. So to start removing your binding, clear your workspace. Take one of your snowshoes, and I found it helpful to point it away from you. If you have needle nose pliers and a flathead, you'll use those to work on the split ring that's holding the binding on the snowshoe. Find the break in the split ring, and twist it so that it lines up with the clevis pin. Take your pliers and gently hold the split ring while you insert your flathead between the wires. Then take your pliers and rotate the split ring until it comes out. Make sure that you get the washer and the clevis pin, as you'll need them for later. And then do the same on the other side of the binding. Find the break in the split ring and line it up with the clevis pin. Take your pliers and hold the split ring while you insert your flathead between the wires. Then use your pliers to rotate the ring until it's out. Make sure you get the washer and the clevis pin. Then simply push the binding down, and you're ready to install your new binding. Set your old binding to the side, get your new binding, turn it over, bring your platform on top of it, and line up the crampon tabs on the inside of the tabs on the platform. Take one clevis pin and insert it through both holes, one on the platform and one in the binding, and line up the hole in the clevis pin so it's facing upward for ease of install. Put the washer on the inside, and for the last step, take your split ring and pinch it where it's split. Set it on a table or flat surface and use your flathead screwdriver to separate it apart. So you'll have a little gap where it's split. Use that gap to install it onto the clevis pin. And then before you rotate it, you can take the flathead out, take your pliers, grab it and rotate it little by little. At least one full rotation just to make sure you have it fully engaged. Then you can check to make sure that it doesn't come out by wiggling it. Second side, same steps. Clevis pin from the outside to the inside of the snowshoe. Washer goes on the inside. Again, take the split ring, pinch it with your fingers where it is split in the center, and then put your flathead to separate the wires. Use that separated portion to hook it onto the clevis pin. And then use your fingers or pliers to rotate until fully installed. And then double check that it's not coming off. Once you have both sides installed, you can verify function, making sure it rotates and stops and comes back down. Follow the same steps to remove and install the binding off of your other snowshoe. Once you've done that, you're ready to go snowshoeing.